Hello everyone, so today quick review lang tayo sa AVT dashcam model M966. So usually sa Toyota, once you're gonna install a few accessories like yung mga dashcam, ito ata yung parang naka-tied up sa kanila. So we had this one for a few weeks ago, so medyo bago pa. So we're not gonna discuss yung mga one by one features talaga nakikita dito, but rather we're gonna focus dun sa actual usage on how to play back yung mga recordings. Hindi kasi usually, wala kasi sa manual. So how do you start to view the recording? So tap natin to. So the good thing about this camera, bukod sa swipe yung mga ganyan, dual screen, it has front and rear recording. Ang importante kasi dito is how to view yung front and rear recording immediately kapag kailangan natin i-review yung driving videos natin. So start muna tayo. So you tap that, press this one, and then, ito yung playback. So, makikita mo dito, ito yung mga recordings na nakikita. So, play mo lang yan. Yan, makikita natin iba't ibang video na nag-play. Yan, so mga front recording yan. So, ito, yung icon na to, this is for the recordings. Ito naman, this one, ito yung mga locked recordings. Ito yung mga photos. Ito naman, yung yan, focus natin. Yan yung either front or rear. So importante dito is how would you play yung rear recording. So kapag ganyan, notice if you click that, naging R na. Ibig sabihin, yung mga videos na makikita mo dito, as you can see, yung file number may R. Ibig sabihin lahat yan rear recording. Tayo na iba. So ayan. So iba-iba. Makikita natin mga recordings dyan. So basta rear. If you want to view the front recordings again, click that. Magiging F. You would notice dito mga F na file names. Ibig sabihin front. So lahat yon front recordings. Okay? Ito naman, if you click that, yan yung mga yan, EMR. So emergency, ibig sabihin mga locked recordings yan. Dyan yung makikita. And then if you click on that icon, JPEG, IMG, ibig sabihin mga photos yan. So, titingnan mo lang dyan kung ano yung mga recordings. Ito, ibig sabihin again, yun yung mga recordings. Ito naman yung locked videos, photos. Tapos ito yung pang switch, whether front or rear, yun yung mga i-view mo. Okay? So, yun, how to view it. Now, one thing na maganda dito sa camera na to is, meron siyang mga voice command. If you click that, ito yung voice icon. This one. So makikita natin yung mga different videos na yan, pwede mong sabihin. Example is turn off screen. Turn off screen. So nagsasalita rin siya. So to acknowledge yung voice command. Show front camera. Show rear camera. Take photo. So importante yung mga yan kapag, especially when you're driving and may nakita kayong emergency. So instead of tap or click sa screen, drive lang kayo tapos sasabihin yung mga importanteng yan, yung mga gusto nyo na sabihin na commands. Okay? Show both cameras. So yan, example din. Turn off screen. Okay? So hopefully, yun ang quick tutorial natin how to navigate dito sa AVT dashcam. Right? So drive safe. That's all.